Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adam Syazani bin Abdul Samad. I am from class AT120 1C, and today I'll be talking about aloe vera. So today we'll be discussing about the general knowledge for aloe vera, the structure, which includes the leaf, stem, and root, the products and benefits, and then lastly, the conclusion that I made. To start with, we have the introduction and general knowledge for aloe vera. Aloe vera is a monocot succulent plant known for its medicinal and cosmetic properties. Its green hard skin and lance-shaped leaf make it easily identify. As you can see here in the picture, the shape of the aloe vera is very recognizable. So the common name for aloe vera is aloe vera, and also the scientific name is also aloe vera. Aloe vera is habitat in Arabia, specifically the southwest Arabian Peninsula. So when it comes to adaptation, the adaptation, of course, it adapts in a desert, so it really is a desert plant. So one of them is thick fleshy leaves covered with a water resonant cuticle, basically, and wax layer. And this is very good for reserving water to store water. Other than that, it's also tolerant to high temperature and short periods of frost, and the ability to store water in leaves, stem, and roots. So continuing on, we have the structure of aloe vera. To start with, we're gonna begin with leaf. So leaf is split into three parts: the outside layer, which is the rind, the middle part, which is the latex, and inside, or the third layer, which is the gel. So the rind is the tough outer skin, the latex is the yellow layer beneath the rind, and the gel is the clear jelly-like substance, and it's full of nutrients. So as you can see here in the picture, you can see the rinds on the outside, the gel is on the inside, whereas the latex is in between those two. So uh, rind. Rind is the outer layer of aloe vera, the leaf. It contains cuticle cells that help minimize water loss, and also has chloroplast so that enables it to do photosynthesis, and also has a specialized cell that produce latex. And latex can be served as a defense mechanism against herbivore. Uh, this is because latex contains laxative properties, which we get to after showing this picture. As you can see, the top layer here, this is what you call a rind. This is what you call the rind for leaves. So the second layer, or the middle layer, is called latex. Latex is a bitter and contains anthraquinones, which can act as a strong laxative. It is thin and has a yellowish sap, and this layer is not typically used for skincare because it has a potency for or potential for irritation. No, so this part is not really needed. Fun fact: atraquinones is a aromatic organic compound which is found in various plant species and not just limited in aloe vera. So this is the picture of latex. You can see the yellow sap here. Now thirdly, the inner layer, we have gel. So gel is a translucent jelly-like substance, and is composed mainly of water, specifically 99%, and also polysaccharides. Gel contains bioactive compounds like vitamins, amino acids, enzyme, and mineral, and it's very good for hydrating, um, hydrating, healing, soothing for skins, and it's also contain very good for uh, uh, medical stuff. So as you can see here, this is the picture of gel, and it's translucent. It contains mostly water, as stated before. Is the inside layer here. Now we have the next structure, which is stem. So stem is typically short and can be hidden by the really big leaves, and it's cylindrical, can be considered as an adaptation for desert so that it can store water. And speaking of storing water, it also has parenchyma cells. So you also have the roots. When it comes to the roots, it uses a fibrous root system where the root is going everywhere. And the epidermis is often thin and lacks root hair, which means usually aloe vera collects water by its leaf, and usually not just by root. Um, the root also contains parenchyma cells to store water, and it is used to support the plant firmly in the sand or soil. So this is the diagram of aloe vera. So at the top here we have the leaves, which is very big and what we all want, specifically the gel inside. And then the stem. The stem is very short, and as you can see here, it's almost hidden as the leaves are covering it. And then there's also the aloe roots, or the roots itself for aloe vera. It uses a frivolous root system. So now we'll get to the products and benefits. When it comes to the products and benefits, there is a lot. What most people know aloe vera is for using as moisturizing lotion. Uh, there is aloe vera gel and also face wash, basically used for skincare. So obviously aloe vera can be used to hydrate your skin, can use to clean or cleanse your skin, and moisturize your skin. Also reducing irritation. But aloe vera can also be used as drinks because it has a lot of good vitamins and such, which can be used for digestive health, hydration, and boosting immunity. There's also supplement you can take. And lastly, not a lot of people know aloe vera has toothpaste, which can take care of your oral hygiene and also reducing gum inflammation. So here are the examples of aloe vera's products. This is the supplement. This is the toothpaste, which not a lot of people know about. Actually, Colgate is a very very famous brand in toothpaste. They also use aloe vera, and also there's also aloe vera gel, which usually used for skincare. Now, the conclusion I made is that aloe vera is a versatile and resilient plant. It has a lot of medicinal and cosmetic properties. It's rich in composition of vitamins, mineral, and bioactive compounds, which makes it very valuable in overall wellness, skin health, digestion, and such. So we should incorporate aloe vera to our daily life to showcase the powerful benefits of nature in promoting health and vitality. And that's all for me for now. And here is the reference I use. And I would like to forgive if I made any mistakes. Thank you so much.